Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review Goodknight fabric roll-on. This is a personal repellent from Goodknight, and it is specially designed for kids who love to be active outdoors. So let's go ahead and unbox this product and see how effective it is. So guys, this is the Goodknight fabric roll-on personal repellent. I bought it from a chemist near my house, and this comes in a very simple packaging. It has all the instruction given here, and this is a small bottle which comes in with a keychain on it. So let us just quickly open this up. So there's a box here, you just need to pull it open, and here it is. Here is the bottle, pretty small, fits in your arm easily. You can carry it like a keychain, or don't go by the size guys. This Goodknight fabric roll-on is supposed to be lasting for 2 months, so which is a pretty long period, right? You can see here the company states that it is a 2 months pack, so it is going to last you for 60 days, because all you need to apply is just 4 dots of this fabric roll-on on your fabric, which is supposed to keep the mosquitoes away. Now what makes it so interesting is that this fabric roll-on can be used even for babies over 2 months. So for babies over 2 months you can use this fabric roll-on. Make sure that you don't apply it on the skin. You need to apply it on the clothes and not on the skin. Okay, this is 100% natural. It has 100% natural ingredients. The main ingredients of this are Citronella and Eucalyptus oil. So this is a Goodknight fabric roll-on personal mosquito repellent, which I have actually bought from my daughter, who's 2 years old and who is very active outside, and to keep her safe from mosquitoes. So I'm going to use this for her. Moving on to the price of this product. This product costs around 75 rupees for a bottle of, say, for a bottle. Yeah, so this thing costs 75 bucks for 2 months. It's a good price. It's going to last for 2 months. The packaging states that it is a non-staining, so you don't need to worry about the mosquito repellent staining your clothes. Also, it is a pediatrician certified, so it is not going to be harmful for your babies and kids, so you can freely use it for them. So the one that I bought is a bubblegum fragrance. There are multiple other fragrances that you get. Yeah, it is 100% natural. It has 100% natural ingredients. That is the best part about this. So how to use it? So you just need to apply 4 dots on your fabric, like 1 on each shoulder and 2 on each legs, to keep the mosquitoes away. Now why do mosquitoes get repelled from this? As we know that mosquitoes do not like the smell of Citronella and Eucalyptus. They hate the smell. That's how the formula works. Basically, you apply a dot of these strong fragrances, which is Citronella and Eucalyptus, on your body, and it will keep the mosquitoes away. So guys, this is the fabric roll-on. Let us know your reviews about it. What do you all feel? How was your experience using it? In the comments below.